Hey, we're going for a reinstall of the Microswitch panel with the new Microswitch installed. Stick the little ears into the little cutout there so the rocker can rock her down. And then you gotta lift, this is in a channel. The machine screw is in a channel. You lift it up until you find that channel. There it is. Now, it still won't screw in because we have that nut sitting there. So you have to take one of your 7mm and oops, there we go, get it on the nut and turn righty-tighty. And as you go righty-tighty, eventually you won't be able to turn anymore. Let's see, I'm gonna lay that one there. It's nice to have the ratchet style. There we go. It's tightening up. Now, it feels kinda loose. Okay, you know what I've done? I've caught up to the nut. There you go. We're against the body. Do not over tighten this. You will break it off flush with the body there, and it's a real pain to extract. You don't have to over tighten it. The vibration in these machines isn't so bad, but it will back out those bolts if you just put them snug. Alright. That's the reinstallation of the Microswitch. Then we come back up here. We had moved your power cable from that bottom side, and we moved the Microswitch from the third pin over. Well, you know, if you're on the bottom line, this is not the bottom line. There's 1, 2, 3. So this is on the bottom line. This is 1, 2, 3. So right in the middle, that's the Microswitch. And that's the Microswitch install.